Eventually, a CEO's job is to always keep sight of the basics, that is, value creation for your customers and value creation for your shareholders. If you lose sight of what your customer wants or what your patient wants, you lose sight of what you're supposed to deliver and lose sight of your purpose. Always strive towards improvement on a daily basis. Always strive towards making your customer or your patient happy, and do it in such a way it is sustainable for the institution that keeps the shareholders also happy. So if you cannot sustain the value creation on both ends, you cannot be at the top of your game. To do that, you need discipline. You need to make sure whatever you do it with the highest levels of integrity, and make sure whatever you do, you keep the patient or the customer at the center of everything. That is the one common thing I will say for anyone to succeed. Discipline is the one mantra I would prescribe to everybody. Being disciplined in your life on a personal level, professional level is very important. You have to make sure all the important tasks are taken care of. You make sure that the line, the vision and mission of the organization you never deviate from. And this discipline on a daily basis is what gets you great rewards. So being disciplined on a daily basis, making sure all the important things are done on a regular basis at the right quality is extremely important. I feel personally that one of the most important things in health is to balance your diet, what you eat, what time you eat, the quantity you eat, managing your stress levels, keeping good physical activity, and making sure there is a good bond of relationships around you, including your friends and your colleagues. If you want to achieve all-round balance of health, you have to sleep well, you have to hydrate yourself well, make sure the diet that you eat is healthy and nourishing, as well as you eat at the right time, and maintain some adequate physical activity and manage your stress well. One of the easiest things to manage stress is to have a hobby. The hobby could be reading, it could be listening to music, it could be playing some sport, and the relationships that you have around you, family time, your time with your friends helps you to manage your stress. These are some of the things I do to keep myself healthy. My motivation comes from the difference I make in the lives of people who are our customers. Since I am in healthcare, on a daily basis we treat a few hundred patients in the outpatient area. We have about 40 to 50 admissions, 40 to 50 discharges. On a monthly basis, the number of lives that I am able to impact by running an efficient institution is what motivates me. So whatever I do on a daily basis impacts a patient and their family positively. That is what motivates me. I think this day and age, because of the boom of information, a lot of unnecessary information comes to the millennials, which actually confuses them and makes them lose focus. One of the most important things in life is focus. Focus on what you want to achieve on a personal level and a professional level. Don't get too distracted by too much information that is being beamed at you through social media. Invest in your long-term learning and your health, and that is the only thing that is going to give you rewards in the long term. What you invest in your learning and in your personal health, not the content that you consume, which is not going to have any impact. So focus on your goals, work very hard, and make sure you know how to enjoy yourself without hurting yourself in any way. So these are some of the messages I like to give all the millennials.